Hello everyone, my name is Gissel and today I'm unboxing some of Nails and Blink's stuff. So let's get started. I opened up the box because I did use these short square tips on my friend the other day. They're amazing, they're awesome, they're convenient. I didn't have to cut off a whole tip. They're just great. So I did buy 2 of her short square tips. I bought her straight tapered square. I bought a box to put her short square tips because her straight tapered square I'm just gonna leave in the bags. So as always, she has her little thank you card, and I think it's the same as the one that I pretty much got in the previous video. And I also got her dampen dish. Wow, this is so cute. You can tell that it's hollow. So this isn't filled with glass. It's like a hollowed glass. And then it's shaped like a heart. So in her website, she does say to be careful to have the monomer in here for too long. And especially with all the lights, it could heat up and this can explode. Which now makes sense now that I have it in my hand because it is hollow glass. It's not thick glass. So this can easily, you know, I love it for like swatching, like just putting a little bit of monomer. I don't think this is gonna be my main dampen dish. I was really kind of hoping that it would be, but looking at it now, it doesn't seem like it will be because I will be scared for glass or tempered glass to be exploding everywhere. So I also did pick up her little like lint-free dispenser. It looks really cute. I did happen to see these like on Amazon. I think it was around the same price, so whatever. So this is really cute. I was thinking, I didn't see that she had pink leaf. Wow, I cannot talk today. I did not see that she had pink lint-free wipes, so I'm just gonna put the ones that I got from Crafts by 9 in here. And the reason why I'm doing like little short mini unboxings with like mini hauls like this is because I've noticed that people like to see them individually than me putting like 2 small unboxings together. And you know what, that's fine. That makes it easier for me to edit, in my opinion. So anyways, let me start putting the lint-free wipes in here. So I was able to fit the top row, and now I can just tape this up so no dust gets in these. And this is how it looks. I know it's a little messy. I'll try to fix it. It's hard, guys. There you go. So this is how it looks, and all you have to do is take one from the bottom, or 3. I normally take out about 4 when I do nail art, so it's not going to be that big of a deal if a lot come out all at once. So way better than how I was keeping mine. I was keeping mine on top of a box. Well, not on top, like on top. How can I explain myself? Wow. So I was keeping my lint-free wipes in a box. So every time I would have to lift it, I would have to move everything that was on top of it. So I would keep just a few on top for the moment that I was doing nails. So that way I wouldn't have to open that box every time. But yeah, so this is how it looks. Super cute. And let's just put her nail tips in this box. I do have to name the box because I have like another box of hers that I put my almond tips in. I did not pick up her new almond tips because, well, I already got the old ones and I bought like 3 bags of those. So I was like, well, now I have to wait and finish those. So not that they're bad. Her old almond tips were excellent. So I can't wait to try her new ones. I gotta wait a bit. So let's start. So this is number 5, and you can see how little they are. Let me just show you. Like, look how tiny they are. Like, it was kind of hard to put these nails on my friend because my nails are long. So I was like, wow, how do I put these on? So they were a bit like of a struggle in my opinion, just because I've never worked with tips these little, but totally worth it. So you start 0, 4, and then 5. Okay. So we got 5. Next we have 7. So I just want to check these to see if they would fit my thumb. It looks like it would. The almond tips just fit my thumb. I have to kind of like grow out my nail so it can fit the tip of my nail. So, but I still like them because they fit beautifully. And I'm going to open up the other ones. Okay, so this is how they all look. 10 is never included. She only gives you 10 tips, which is starting from 0 to 9. So technically you do get 10 tips in total, but the size number 10 is not included. So yes, I don't know how I should write it because I feel she has the stickers that you can order from somebody else, but I was like, I'm not going to another website just to order stickers. So I'm just going to put short square. I could put SS, right? Whatever. That handwriting is trash, but whatever. Alrighty. So I do want to show you guys how these tips look because I've never seen them and I was curious because I've never gotten square tips. I've always wanted to get like coffin or something. So I just pulled out the number 5, which is weird because that's the first one I pulled out for the first one too. So these look nice. And these have no C curve, as you can see. And let me see what would be number 5, like this one. Yeah, these are pretty long too. Wow. They look really nice. I can't wait to try them. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave these in the bags and see where I put them eventually. I don't mind them being in the bags. I guess it's more convenient to find them like this. So yeah, this is all that I picked up. Well, minus the lint-free wipes from her. I'm pretty sure she has, so you can definitely pick it up from her. But this is all that I picked up. Super mini haul. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll leave her link down in the description box, and I'll leave a link of my other previous video showing you guys what I picked up from her my first time. So thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. She is honestly like goals because her like whole warehouse building experience, like I was just like, wow, she literally put 110 or 150% into everything that she did. She is like dedicated. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys again all for watching, and until next time, bye.